Good morning. I came out with a scarf on, but you really don't need it. Gosh, what is the deal? It's the 9th of October. This is going out tomorrow. This is a Monday. It's going out on a Tuesday. But it was a warm weekend. I don't know. I know a lot of you got a lot of rain, especially in Scotland. God, that looks like. I hope Jacqueline, you're in Glasgow. I don't know what it was like in Glasgow, but it looked pretty torrential, to say the least. Mad, really. I haven't seen that kind of train services being, the whole of Scotland being shut down. I haven't seen that in my whole lifetime. And I've used the trains to get to Scotland a lot in my life, because I didn't learn to drive till I was in my early to mid 30s, so I was always used to use the train to get up to see my family in Glasgow, or the coach when I was younger, which was, yeah. I really like watching Steve Marsh. I don't know if any of you who are from Scotland watch Steve Marsh. Planes, trains and everything. Really like Scott. Really like him too. He's great. Yeah, YouTube. On YouTube. Slurp first. But first coffee. Must keep remembering that. Oh, delish. First coffee of the day, actually. This is before work, and I held off having a morning coffee because I knew I was going to have this one, a flask worth. Yeah, a flask worth. So rather than sort of be completely hypo in the afternoon, I thought it'd be best if I try to avoid cups of tea in the morning. Oh, nice. Very nice. Blackboard, first coat, that's the job today. And anything else I could squeeze in. Oh, look, sage is drying. And I'll put that in on Friday. So this is Saturday, Sunday, Monday. This is the third day. And it's still, well, it's nowhere near dry. But you can see it's starting to take effect. So, blackboard paint, brush, paint opener. And I've, can you see? You probably can't see, but there's actual masking tape on there. Oh, I'll put the fan on. It's warm enough for the fan. Yes, beautiful. So I hope you're all well. Not too wet in various places. I mean, we wish we had more rain, honestly. Because one of you said, "Oh, you can't believe how lucky I am with the weather." But the trouble is, around here, it doesn't rain enough. And then you have problems with watering and all those kind of concerns. It's either too much or not enough, isn't it? It's never just right. Oh, nice. So with this, it did say to stir it well, so I'm going to do that. Got a stick handy. Don't want to avoid getting black on my hands, actually, because I've got to go to work. I've already started. Oh no. I'm going to wear gloves. I've got one glove, just for the painting hand. Try to avoid getting black on my hands, because I'll wash my hands when I get to work, but I've got to really scrub them if they've got paint on them. And I don't have any scrubbing stuff, it's just, Come and have a help. Have a look. this works. It should do. Let's show you the masking tape. I don't know if you can see it. Probably see it there. Yeah. Right. Well, I'm going to put you in your camera angle position and crack on. It will be on time lapse. Love a time lapse. It'll make it go very quickly. Yeah. So see you in a bit. So that's the first coat. It does say sand between coats, but it dries really quickly, so it's probably already dry, 30 minutes, but it feels like it's dry. But the next coat shouldn't be applied till it's had 2 hours, so I'll come back tomorrow and I'll apply the second coat. Yeah, pretty cool. I'm pleased. It was very, in fact I did splash some, which is a bit annoying, but never mind. In fact, I'll try and clean up. I just have to cover. Where's my? Oh yeah, here it is. Oh no! Oh, darn it! Let's cover that with white paint when it's dry. Oh, what a woolly! That's the only bit of cloth I had, but never mind. Finished my coffee. What to do next? I haven't got long because I've got to go to work a bit early today. I have watered the seedlings because I haven't been here for the whole weekend, and they're doing okay. Let's have a quick. They seem to be all right too. They're not dead. I've laid these out to dry, and I need to collect some more. So I mean, I've got a few minutes. I might collect some more. I don't know, or just clear. I think I'm just going to clear the actual nasturtiums and put them on my compost bin. Just do a bit of maintenance like that. The neighbour's here, so I'm going to do a little bit of sort of surreptitious filming. You're going to be low down on the ground. Yeah. Oh, I wanted to say, I don't know if I said this, John Lord. I don't know if I said thanks to you for your super thanks. I hope I did, but if I didn't, thank you very, very much for your super thanks. I really appreciate that. And I do know that I hit 10,000 on my cooking channel today, which is amazing, absolutely amazing, and I'm chuffed to bits. And thank you everybody that's on here, that watches on there. And I know there's a fair few of you because you all came over when I started this channel. I really appreciate it massively. Yeah, it's amazing, really is. Chuffed to bits, can't believe it. I mean, you know. But yeah, it's fantastic. So let's go out there, clear some nasturtiums, because I'll be seed collecting probably tomorrow to try and kind of, because there's a lot. Try to get some. I want them growing where I want them to grow, not where they want to grow. Do you know what I mean? See you outside. Not much, but just keep at it a little bit at a time because there's a lot. I've got to go. God, this is going to be a really quick one, I'm sure of it. Thanks everybody for watching. Whew, it's really warm out there. Blooming hell. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow. Take care. Bye.